Question 7. We have a bunch of angles, a bunch of points, vertices described with the capital letters here. Just putting dots just to show where A, B, C, D, E, F are. And we're told that A, B, C, and BDF and ADE are straight lines, which is apparent from the picture. And the question is asking us for the size of angle X, which means it's asking us to find the size of this angle here. So the point that we're focused around is here immediately because of the fact that we've got this 42 across from it. It's not only across from it, it actually makes a cross. Basically, when you have a cross like that, where angles are opposite each other, vertically opposite each other, because D here is the vertex, then they are equal. So X is 42 degrees. Part B, work out the size of angle Y. Angle Y being here. We look at what's around it, and immediately we see there's 131. Now this 131 happens to form, I'll pick a different color, a straight line. And the angles in a straight line add up to 180. So if we take 131 away from 180, we will get the answer for Y, which will give us 49 degrees. C, part 1, work out the size of angle Z. So going back to our picture, angle Z is here. We have, if we look around it, there's nothing there immediate. So if we cast our eyes a bit further afield, we've got a few angles here. The main ones that are going to be relevant for this question, different color, are going to be the 42 degrees and the newly found 49 degrees because we end up with a triangle here. Angles in a triangle add up to 180, which is actually the reason for our next answer. So I'm just going to put here, angles in a triangle add up to 180. So the calculations that we're going to do here involve 180 to start with, up to 180. And if we add all of the angles in that triangle up, we get 180. So we have a Z first of all for this. We have a 42, which was our angle in red. And we have a 49, which is our angle in purple here. So we have a purple angle. I'll just color it in here so it's more obvious. We have a red angle. You can add all them together to get 180. In terms of rearranging this, however you do it, as long as you do 180, subtract 42, subtract 49, or if you add these two numbers together first and then take it away from 180, it doesn't really matter. As long as you do one of those two ways, and by taking them away like so, you're going to end up with 89 degrees as our answer. And although part 2 came afterwards, because of the fact that I was talking about it, it made sense just to answer that. Give a reason for your answer. You've got to say in words why you did the sum that you did. So for the first one, I talked about vertically opposite angles being equal. That would be the reason for this. For the second one, angles in a straight line add up to 180 degrees. That would be a reason for that, if the question asks for it there. This one, however, asks it for the last one, which is angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees.